Alright, so I know I said I was not going to come back over here today. It is the next day. I'm back at my sister's house. I'm bringing more plants over here. I just decided to just bring all my plants over here just to make my life simpler. I'm going to bring all my plants over here. I still need to order some more grow bags to pot the rest of my tomato plants. So I will probably do that. I'm gonna have to do it later this week. I don't know. We'll see. But again, I'm about to go ahead and just move my plants, all my plants over here. Alright, so this is what it's looking like now. I put the plants out, and I don't know why my sister set these strawberries here. She be doing kooky stuff, y'all. She asked if I can use it as like compost it. I'm like, I don't have a composter. But anyways, this is what the flowers are looking like, or not the flowers, but the plants are looking like now. I put the flowers like sporadically. Well, I guess not these ones. I put them out throughout the garden just so you know the bees will come and pollinate stuff. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I knocked over one of my cucumbers and I was trying to trellis it up, so there's that. But everything is still looking good. I am so excited. I'm gonna try my best not to come back over here tomorrow. I am trying my best not to come back over here tomorrow, you guys. I'm not lying. I'm telling the truth. All right, well, I will pick you guys up the next time I am back over here, or the next time I'm in my garden, even if it's at my house doing stuff, still trying to bring stuff over here. So it's the next day, but I hadn't planned on coming out here. I had not planned on coming out to my sister's house today. I was gonna wait until like Friday, or not Friday, Friday or Saturday I was gonna come. But my daughter was here and she needed me to come pick her up. So I was like, let me just bring the rest of my plants. So now, only thing these bugs, honey. The only thing that I have at my house now are gonna be the potatoes. That's all I have, nothing else. So I have brought everything. I'm gonna show you guys. I have literally brought every single plant except my potatoes. Oh yeah, my potatoes are starting to flower. If I remember, I am going to insert a picture up here. I'll go back home and record it. I'm going to insert a picture. I don't know what side to come on, but I'm going to insert a picture so you guys can see that they're starting to flower. Not too many, but I'm like, oh yay. I'm hoping that they're getting ready to like be done. So I'm excited. Oh, don't pay no attention to my hair, y'all. It's been a long day. Here are all of my plants. All of them. My zinnias. I had planted a lot of zinnias, you guys, and I only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of probably like the 50 I planted. These ones are the zinnias right here. My pepper plants. I am going to put plant food into all of my plants probably Friday or Saturday whenever I come back out here. So all of the plants are going to get food except the one that I put in plant food in the other day, that one back there. But everything else is looking a little sad, especially since they're now getting an adequate amount of sun, like a lot of sun. So I am just gonna go ahead and feed them on Saturday. Oh, that one's tomato plant leaves are looking a little sad, so I don't want to overwater stuff. Like when it starts to droop, it makes me think, okay, you guys need to be watered, or you're lacking something. I don't know, but this one right here, I don't know if you guys can see it. It looks like it's like sad. That's what I call it. It's drooping. So does that mean that it needs water, or does it need nutrients? What is it missing? Why? And okay, this one is doing the same thing. I mean, these days have been hot. Maybe I should just go ahead and water everything. I know you guys are gonna be like, Evita, stop watering. But I might just go ahead and water everything, you guys. I'm paranoid. And again, I won't come back until like Friday or Saturday. Today is Wednesday, but I won't come back on until like Friday or Saturday, and then that's when I'm gonna feed them and then water them again. Okay, so I just watered everything. Not a lot of water. Don't look like this one got any water, but I watered everything. Did I not water this one? Bruh, apparently I didn't water this one. Let me get the hose back out. I just gave everything like a little bit of water, not a lot. So this one is starting to flower. This is one of my pepper plants. It's starting to flower, so how exciting is that? I'm not sure if the camera's focusing. Doesn't look like it. All right, there we go. So again, this one is starting to flower, pepper plant. Can't remember the name of the peppers, but I am excited. And I'm wondering if these pepper plants are not doing well because I put 2. Because you guys see how big this one is, and it's in a bag by itself. But my other pepper plants, I just put them in 2 in one bag. Was that a bad idea? I didn't do it with the tomatoes, but I figure, okay, peppers can grow together. Was that a bad idea? Should I, again, up pot these and they need to be in their own bag? Let me know in the comments down below, you guys. You know, I'm still learning. And the only reason why I watered everything was because some of my tomato plants are looking sad. So that's the only reason why I watered everything again. I don't know if it's because they needed water or if they need some nutrients, which again, I'm gonna give them this weekend, either Friday or Saturday. And I need to up pot the other tomato plants. I have not the slightest idea to what this is, but we'll see if anything comes from it. And then this right here is just strawberries. Doubt if anything grows from this because I didn't know what I was doing. I just threw everything that was in that bag in here. I don't know. I think they were like roots, strawberry roots. I don't know. I can't remember. But anyways, I do have cucumbers, a lot of cucumbers growing. So, oh, and this one cucumber was looking so disgusting. Where'd it go? I was like, oh, well, okay. Oh, right here. This one looks so crazy. All right, here we go. So this one is looking a little funky. Don't know what's going on with it. I guess it's dying because it looks brown. But then, what do I know? I know nothing. Maybe that's the way it's supposed to look like. Anyways, you guys, tomorrow is Thursday. I will not be back on Thursday. You know, I might not even come back on Friday. I'm trying to discipline myself. I may not be back until Saturday. So I am trying my best to stop stalking my plants. So I will see you guys Saturday-ish. Bye.